So I guess you're the one who became Pain. Nagato, you really have changed.
Summoning Jutsu.
Art of the Raging Lion's Mane! Nagato, it's time for me to ask you a few questions. What happened to Yahiko?
He died a long time ago.
Nagato, what happened?
Nothing happened. Nothing except for the war. Too many people died in this land. All that pain forced me to grow up.
Why are you gathering up all the tailed beasts?
Well, you're about to die anyway. So I don't need to keep this secret from you any longer. I will use the steel-tailed beasts to develop new forbidden jutsu. I'm over here, Sensei.
So that's your summoning then, is it?
You're like a single-celled organism that hasn't evolved at all.
Summoning Jutsu! I went from Sanin to Sage, the Hermit Sage of Mount Miyoboku! I am Master Jiraya!
You haven't matured at all, Sensei. You're just as clumsy as ever.
Come on, watch it, Mr. Gamaken!
I'm sorry. I'm quite ungraceful.